Hey everybody, good afternoon. Here we are again on our cooking trip. This afternoon I'm going to cook my pork steak version of an oriental version pork steak. I have a pork here. I'm going to slice this into thin slice so that it's easy for me to cook. I mean, it's easy also to cook. It's not hard. So this, if you can see this white, I'm going to remove this because this is a little bit fat, and you can do it also. You can cook this with this one, but in my case I just wanna remove it, you know. And then if you can see, look at my fresh looking pork. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to slice this into thin slice. This is how I'm gonna slice this. It seems like you are doing a fillet. So here, now it's a thin. I'm going to put here my backs, and again I'm going to do another one. So thin. This is very easy to cook. Guys, I love cooking, so wherever I can go and I have a chance to cook, I will cook, because I always bring my small stove too, and later on I'm going to use that one. And you see how thin pork I have. So there you go, I'm done. After this, I'm going to put a little pepper, a salt, and garlic, and for a moment I'm gonna get it. Very simple. This is how I'm gonna make my pork steak. That way. Very simple but tasty. Does not have a lot of preservative in this. Okay, I'm going to sit this for a moment while I'm going to prepare my stove. Now I have a frying pan here. It's already warm, and I put already the oil that I have. Now I'm going to put my pork like this. This is how I'm going to do my pork steak. Very simple, very easy, and tasty. Wow. Yahoo! Every time I cook this way, guys, I always feel hungry immediately. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have my garlic here, and my wild onion, and my chili pepper, and I'm going to put a little bit sweet soy sauce, a medium kind sweet soy sauce. This is that gives consistency of the taste. A little bit sweeter and a little bit sour. See, this is how my pork steak, and I think I need a little bit more. Actually, I did not measure, guys. If you can see, I just estimate it, because it's just how much your pork, the way you put your sweet soy sauce. And my pepper is it's jump up from the frying pan, so that means it's still alive. Jumble, jumble, jumble. I'm hungry looking at this. Okay guys, this is ready to serve you. Look, you see that? I'm going to taste this. Guys, this is now ready to serve. I transfer this for my other how you call that, lunchbox with a cover. Look, because I'm going to taste first because I am so hungry and I am excited to taste on this. So I will get on this part here like that. Oh, it's hot. See that, guys? It's really tastes good. Jumble, jumble, jumble. It's a little bit chilly. Oh, really good. Jumble, jumble, jumble.